everyone. I hope you're all having a wonderful summer so far. My name is Julie, and as you can see, I'm back in the STS classroom. I am here to let you know that we are ready and prepared to have you back in our campuses for the new school year in September of 2021. We will be offering a few selected in-person courses beginning in September at each of our Scarborough, Richmond Hill, and Markham locations. These new courses begin from Lesson 1 and are ideal for our new registering students or students who have taken a break and want to return, or those who just want to enroll into a new course. To ensure that our in-person learning space is safe for everyone, we follow the Ontario Health Guidelines for screening, sanitizing, and social distancing. Please remember that you will be required to wear a mask when you are at our campus at all times. Hand sanitizers will be provided throughout each of our locations, and class sizes remain small to make sure that proper social distancing is taking place for each student. Our flexible learning experience, FLEX programs, are still continuing online. Students who are enrolled in those programs will stay online just to maintain consistency with the teacher and with the course content. We also have all subjects available for new courses in September 2021 through the FLEX program. This includes grades 1 to 12 math, grades 1 to 12 English, grades 9 to 12 science, grades 5 to 12 creative writing. And we know it's been a difficult year for many students and many families, and we recognize that learning was just one of the many things that had affected your child. We're here to help build a stronger learning foundation and to fill in any learning gaps that your learner may have at home. Our lessons and our homework are built to meet the Ontario curriculum to help boost your child's confidence with any day school material. We also offer a free assessment test, either online or in person, to help you find a right fit class for your child. We will also discuss how our programming will support individual needs. Feel free to reach out to any of our 3 campuses as we have staff on site and available to help you with any questions you may have. You may also visit our website at www.successtutorialschool.ca for more information. I hope you all stay safe, and we'll see you in September. Bye.